Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to creating an intro by CapCut application. So the first thing we have to do is just go click a new project, and in this new project I would like to go into the stock videos, and in the stock videos I think I would like to go into the background, and in this background I would like to find out the color that I like here. So I already find it, just need to go click it, and after that go click add. And now I would like to change the ratio. I would like to make an intro for my YouTube channel, so you just need to go into ratio, and after that we just need to go click this ratio and go click done. And now I would like to adjust in the size of the clip. Go click the clip and let's just adjust in it. And now we got already fulfilling all of the ratio, and here I would like to add a stickers. So we just need to go click add text and go click stickers. And now let's find out what stickers that can be my intro for the YouTube. Okay, I found one. I think I clicked the wrong stickers, so I will like to go do with this. Okay, just go click done. And for the lipstick sticker, I would like to delete it. Now I would like to resizing this sticker by just drag this part. Don't sit here. Make it like a little bit this one. And now after that I would like to draw something, so let's just go back and just go click draw. And now I would like to choose my pencils type, so I would like to go with this. But then for the color I would like to pick the blue color, I think that has the same color with the shoes. Okay, there you go. And after that you just need to go start drawing on this part. So I will let the drawing up. I will let to make it bigger. There you go. Okay, and just go click done. And now I will like to move this scratch into the side. There you go. And after that I just want to type or add the text here. Bibli's flock. And I would like to add the font by go click the font and find out the best fonts that I could have for my intro. Okay, I think I will like to choose this. Just go click done and adjusting the positions, as well as I would like to add a color. So let's go into the style and pick the color, which I won't like to go with the blue, and just go click done. For the size I would like to drag it a little bit bigger, and I would like to make it like this. And now let's add animation for each. So the first animation that I would like to add is a sticker. Go click in animations, and in I would like to go with spin, and I would like to make it have a long duration. There you go. Just go click done and go with the next, which is scratch, and go with the animations. And now let's find out what we can have here. I would like to go with the wipe right, and I would like to make it like have longer durations too, as well as for the text I will do the same. And now let's have a check for the intro. So that's the way how to create intro on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.